Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss some strategies to ace mathematics final exams. Nowadays many student is having a phobia and an anxiety related to the math subject जिसको हम बोलते हैं मैथोफोबिया. Yes, ये हमारा डिक्शनरी में एक वर्ड है मैथोफोबिया जिसका मतलब है an anxiety या fear related to your maths. क्या है आजकल के बच्चों को क्या है डर रहता है कि मैथ्स के क्वेश्चंस है मैथ्स का एग्जाम है हमसे क्लियर नहीं होगा हम अच्छे मार्क्स स्कोर नहीं कर पाएंगे बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इफ यू फॉलो सम स्ट्रेटेजीज to overcome your phobia. So I must sure that you can score a good marks in your maths exam. एक ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर जिनके नाम से हम जानते हैं शकुंतला देवी मैम है जिन्होंने बोला है विदाउट मैथमेटिक्स देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज अ मैथमेटिक्स एवरीथिंग अराउंड यू इज अ नंबर यस एवरीथिंग अराउंड इज अस अ नंबर यस एवरी टाइम व्हाट वी हैव टू डू जस्ट लाइक हमने इतने का कुछ परचेज किया यस दैट इज अमाउंट क्या है वो नंबर ही तो है हमारे पास हमारे आसपास क्या है मैथमेटिक्स ही सराउंड कर रहा है ठीक है नॉलेज ऑफ मैथ्स इज नेसेसरी इन आवर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ इन आवर academic everyone must know about mathematics. First strategy, if you follow, allow plenty of study time. Yes, if you give your best time, if you give enough time to your studies, I must ensure that you can score a good marks. Yes, mathematics is not just like you can just read it and recognize it. No, you have to do so much of practice. So give plenty of time for studies. Okay, next strategy is quantity and qualitative counts. Yes, you have to give your quantity and quality counts. No, if you start from the beginning, you can just take easy questions. Okay, so if you want to score a good marks, you have to become a harder at every step. Okay, so quantity and quality counts are must. Next strategy is mathematics is not a spectator sport. Get involved. Yes, nowadays many students what they are doing this. Yeah, teacher ने हमें पढ़ाया. Yes, yeah. Teacher taught something and that is coming in our mind and we won't follow. No, you have to involve in that technique. You have to follow the technique whatever is teaching by your teacher. So not become a spectator sport. You have to get involved. Next strategy is be neat and accurate in your exam. Yes, you have to give your exam by neatly and accurate. You have to become a confident that yeah, whatever you are writing, whatever the answer you are coming, that is correct. So you have to become a confident and write your exam be neat. So thank you and all the best for your exams.